Alright, a good afternoon, everyone. SpenVentures here at Disney Springs. It has decided to become a light shower this afternoon here in Orlando at Disney. But nevertheless, it is still September, the first weekend of September, Labor Day weekend, and you know what that means. Gideon's cookies are awaiting upon us, and we're going to go ahead and head that way now. We're not going to spend a whole lot of time here because I want to get home. And relax the rest of the day today. So, as more people are taking shelter under buildings and awnings throughout the Springs, you always need to come prepared in Florida with sunscreen and umbrellas because of the summer storms that pop out. Someone dropped their dinosaur. But always need to come prepared if you're traveling to Florida with umbrellas and sunscreen, because it will be really, really hot and humid. Then a summer shower, summer storm will creep up on you out of nowhere. And then after that's gone, more humidity and hotness. But nevertheless, as we look through here, you can see, it's still raining out, making our way to Disney, or making our way to Gideon's Bakehouse, just on the other side. Parked in the orange garage, level 4, because I did not want my car to get soaked. So let's go ahead and get in line and get our cookie, and then maybe we'll go check out the Disney store and walk through there, see anything that's new for the fall season. Oh, all right, now we have made it inside Gideon's out of the pouring rain. Finally, we can go over the month of September. This cookie, the sea turtle cookie, and I had this one last year. So it's still a little bit cold in here, but I'm starting to get used to it a little bit, and so we'll be able to see the cookies here in just a moment to see what they're like, what the cookie of the month of September is like. All right, got my Gideon's cookie, the sea turtle cookie. This is like a salted caramel with pecans, cashew nuts, and the salt pieces on top. We're gonna go find a dry spot to review the cookie, see what it tastes like, and more or less, right now just walking around the Springs. It has lightened up finally. My shoes and socks are soaked. I'm wet. And also go ahead and review the card for the month of September at Gideon. Go over the storyline and all that good stuff. So let's go find a nice dry spot that's not where the seats are not wet. This just in. New arrival in the Mandalorian for $140. Mandalorian helmet. The red streaks on the side. Looks like it's brain. But it's just in. It's a new arrival. See? Also this one. Boba Fett. Scout Trooper. Scout Trooper head. The same price. It's got the Scout Trooper Tronic helmet, battery. Also, Obi-Wan Kenobi helmet. There's the helmet of the Mandalorian. Star Wars helmet. Black silvers. And we got the glowing Mickey pumpkins. See them glowing? These ornaments, Halloween ornaments. Mickey is a skeleton. Christmas tree, like I said. Changing up my Christmas this year to make it all about Disney. And so I'll have all kinds of different Disney themed ornaments. Disney Loungefly. Mickey's Pumpkin Patch. Mickey here on the dressed as a vampire skeleton. These are used for the Halloween party. Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. Candy corn, you have the Mickey pumpkins. And bubble wands. Alright, so not really much inside the Disney store. Let's go over to the market. And market co-op. If there's anything in there, then we'll make our way back towards the Starbucks so we can review the cookie, Gideon's cookie. Look at this shirt here. Mickey shirt, it's small. $30. Looking down there, Donald. I do want to go into Disney styles too, because they do sometimes have Roosevelts. But very cool shirt in there. There's a lot of the same stuff through here. And I'd try mosey around here. See items like the snack items. Dole Whip. Nifty socks. I would actually wear that. Come on. Let's see. How much are we? $60. Kind of figured that. Ooh, I like the Tarzan ones. I like that mug. Cool. Well, we're way back in Disney style. Let's see what merch they got in here. I know they got a few Roosevelt items. Check those out.
That one's cute too, the apples.
Villain's shirt.
Yes, I think so.
There's the villains. There's the villain hat. Maleficent. Yzma. Because we're definitely in the Halloween season. 80s. The Queen, Scar, and in Yzma with really cool socks. Hello, I'm Baymax.
You should stand there with the villains.
No. Like that. Really cool. The villains. Maleficent. Brown. Surprisingly, nothing in there that really stands out. So, nevertheless, go ahead and go get in line for some coffee and cookie review. Alright, so I got my coffee and I got my and now I'm just waiting on my latte. Pumpkin spice latte.
And I am from Venezuela.
And then we'll do the cookie review. Alright, so finally we got ourselves the Gideon's cookie. The month, it's the sea turtle cookie. Also got a little bit wet, but we'll be able to still read it. So here you go. This is nose fire. Situations in life can change us, leave us feeling isolated.
Oh, that was a good idea.
Meet the eternally beautiful Nestfire, who, through no fault of her own, has become somewhat people fear. Forced in a solitary world, she longs for the companionship of one true friend. Though trusting someone so different from ourselves can seem frightening and potentially painful, the rewards are everlasting. Cookie of the month is the sea turtle cookie. I remember this one from last year. Same one, right here. Sea turtle cookie. And, without any further delay, we will take out the sea turtle cookie and take a bite. Probably a little bit wet from the rain and a little bit moist. But here it is. It's got pecans. See the caramel inside of there just a little bit. Looks like a little puddle there. And also some chocolate chips and nuts. So we're gonna break this cookie apart and try it out. Also, happy Labor Day. It is Labor Day, and I'm wearing my American Roosevelt shirt. You can see Bigfoot carrying the American flag. He's also grilling some hot dogs. And here we go. Aha, perfectly matched. Wonderful, nothing. And with my Starbucks pumpkin spice latte. A step in the right direction. That's very delicious. But so when do this? It's still early in the day. So I still got all afternoon. And we're only I'm only about an hour and a half away from home. And so I'll be home early enough to unpack, get laundry done, all that fun stuff. I gotta do that. But I gotta stop at the store first. And get a couple things. More like personal items, like bathroom stuff. But anyway, I mean, I'd probably put this in the top 10, not in the top 5. I'd probably put this at number like 6 or 7 on quality. My overall favorite cookie was the orange mocha. Cookie and the orange was, I forget what the name of it was, like orange. It was orange flavor. With a, and then cookies and cream, then peanut butter. Then there was one cookie that I really, really liked, which was, I forget what month it was. Oh, the peanut butter cold brew. It was a peanut butter and coffee cookie. I think that was in June. That was in my top 5. But anyway, enjoy this little bit of cookie. I'll kind of put it back. And I'll make our way to Lakeland. And stop at the Target there. Go on down the highway and head on towards home. So let's go ahead and head this way and make our way to Lakeland.